Unattended train. This is an unattended train. Here's their fucking... Really? Why are you taking it?
We can see out that door right there.
Unattended trains. Some mileage rich. A fucking red thing. That's for driving.
Crazy fucker.
Hold on. It's still recording.
Pull this.
Don't
Don't pull it, y'all fucking cut you.
It fell off.
It fell off. You can't drive no further. Alright. Dude, that's 3 minutes and 11 seconds. It's probably from over there.
Come right now, fell off.
No, the blue one's reversed.
What?
The blue one's reversed.
Alright, well, which is the white one?
I'm just kidding. I don't know what any of them do. I don't drive trains, dude.
Oh, the white one I didn't push in, but it pulled the top of it fell off.
Look, that nigga, I got evidence we were on a train.
Did you take the book?
Yeah.
Let me see.
No.
Let me see.
It's like a federal offense.
Holy shit.
Let me have some of that.
Oh, no.
Dude, that's fucked up. You should not do that.
Fuck it.
That's hella fucked up. I took some video of it.
Let's see where they're
Let's
going.
get in the light, dude.
Let's see where we're going.
Let's go back to Brandon House and just read all this shit.
We can study this and get information on where we're going to end up when we tag all this shit and get on the train.
That was a good idea.
Dude, we can fucking actually fucking do it, dude.
I wish I fucking brought them for shoes.
Let's go look in here since all the lights are on. I got my video still recording. We're all like fucking making it fucking YouTube video. I'm gonna post this shit tomorrow. We're looking at a shop. It's pretty uninteresting. If we open this up, we can steal some shit.
Make hella bangs.
Fuck it. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That's a good YouTube video.
Oh shit!
Oh fuck. Go inside.